I was going to say, thanks a lot for moving my car the other day. Car was stuck in a ditch. Gave Afro a call here, and he lifted up with one arm, or two, one arm lifted out of the ditch. How he did it? I don't know how.
Honestly, I don't know either. I was actually pretty surprised.
So, you don't go to the gym, eat pizza, and often a few beers. How have you managed this sprint?
Well, as I said, I can't explain it. The only thing that I've done recently was I actually took a trip to Viet Nam.
Oh.
And on that trip, aside from a few other things, I ate snake. And they say that eating snake makes you stronger. That's why they do it. And so maybe that was it.
Maybe it's the key to your supernatural strength.
Yeah.
Personally, I'd just like to ensure everybody that no snakes were harmed during the filming of this RudeBoy Afro Review. And I can say that with my hand in my heart. Absolutely no snakes at all.
Well, there was one.
So only 8 snakes. I can assure you, I can give you a personal guarantee that only 8 snakes were harmed.
Only 8 snakes
during the filming of this next video.
Yeah. So I must say as well, it was a very Douglas Adams experience, whereby I got to meet the thing that I was about to eat and have a bit of a rapport with it. It's fairly one-sided.
You got to experience his personality, see what it was like a bit.
Yeah, which I mean, it's had a very one-dimensional personality, which basically seemed to be shitting itself. A bit aggressive too, I found. Quite defensive, but a bit aggressive, you know, with the biting. And anyway, it was very interesting. So here is the RudeBoy Afro Review, live from Ha Noi, Viet Nam. Strong like snake.
Remember, do try this at home.
Hello friends, I am He-Man, and I want you to read along as we listen to the adventures of the Masters of the Universe. Get ready for a lot of fun and excitement. Now, let's start.
I can't believe this. Okay, so you're watching the RudeBoy Afro Review in downtown Ha Noi.
Yeah.
And we're about to drink some snake blood. Chocky. Right, so the young fellas from the hotel are taking us to go and eat some snake. So we get to see how it's cooked. Hopefully we get to see it before and after. Tell us where we're going, mate. We're going to eat snake. We're going to eat snake.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Very good.
What about some dog?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully the souvenir won't be. You like snake?
Yeah, I like snake. Very nice.
Very nice. So yeah, that's where we're going.
It's nice.
You're just too hip, baby. Oh, you're just too hip, baby. Oh, yeah.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you gonna do? Kill?
No, milk.
Ah.
Oh no? Yeah, no, kill.
What?
How did you get so detached? Talking a mouth full of cash. You're just too hip, baby. Oh, yeah. You take a feather from every bird you see you ever fly. You're just too hip, baby. I can't wait for you anymore, baby. Oh, I can't carry you anymore, baby. Oh,
New meaning for the word Bloody Mary.
100%,
100%. Wrong.
หมดเลยบ้างอย่า Hey, only you. Everyone hasn't drank yet.
I feel strong.
You like it?
You want to drink cock?
Coke? Do I want to drink cock? Apparently the snake blood or eating snake is supposed to make you really strong. But basically I feel like throwing up at the moment. Oh no mate, I can't. I don't reckon I can. I get clean. Wait. Oh Jesus. Right, apparently this is the venom. It's okay. Oh my God.
How far hospital from here?
Huh?
How far hospital?
Actually, there's a hospital right next to our hotel, so worst comes to worst, we know where we've got to go to take me to the emergency ward.
I have visited RudeBoy Afro Review in Ha Noi.
Baby, you so like the fuck! Baby, oh yeah!
Yeah, it's like the mustache on the squid. Really chewy.
Rock and roll! I'm talking about rock and roll! Yeah! Full grown! Get down! I need a
That's snake dick.
Yeah, it's for potency. Apparently it's an aphrodisiac, snake dick.
You should warn your wife.
No, it's for surprise. Now, I don't actually know if it's the snake blood or the fact that they mixed it with that rice wine, the local rice wine, which is really potent. But, I admit I'm a little bit out of it at the moment. Could also be the fact that I'm wearing this ridiculous wig in a very humid climate.
crocodiles vegetarian. How come Attila wasn't a honey? Why didn't Hitler stay a librarian? Why don't people find rock bands funny? Life kills, life's a sentence, read all about it.
Mr. Breaker. Today, my name is Mr. Breaker.